Welcome, here I've got CUBOT X19 S and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera mirror effect at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard picture mode with the back camera. To get access to mirror effect we have to change back camera to the front one. Let's do it by tapping on the right corner button. So hi again, and now we have to go to the left corner button to get access to this panel, and here we have to tap to the center to open the advanced camera settings. Now at the last position we have the mirror effect option, so by using the button from the right we can easily turn it on and turn it off as we need. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.